Hello and good morning. It's nice to see you once again, Miss Giselle. So this activity, I'll present another significant Filipino scientist whose studies create biggest contribution to the Filipino society. So his study, co-authored by Kabakungan and Abakungan 2020, is entitled Water Electricity Light System Technology Innovations, or also known as the WELS. It is an applied community-focused technology package, a portable rainwater capture plus purification, lighting, phone charging, or energy access. It is designed for low resource or disaster-affected communities. It's directly relevant to the Philippines, frequent storms, rural areas with unreliable utilities. So its real-world impact is easy to explain and show. So the paper includes deployment, innovation experience, which makes a short review video engaging and tangible. So this paper describes WELS, a combined system for collecting and treating rainwater, providing LED lighting, and charging phones. So it's built for communities with unreliable utilities and for disaster response. So for the key points of this research paper, we have the three. Number one is the integration of simple, low-cost technologies into one portable kit. Number two, focus on community co-innovation and deployment experience. Number three, sensors and monitoring added for maintenance and scale-up. Displayed in your screens is the contribution to the Philippines. We have here number one, the social impact. It provides safe drinking water, reducing waterborne diseases in rural and disaster-hit areas. It also offers safe nighttime lighting, improving quality of life, safety, and productivity for households without reliable electricity. Number three, it enhances emergency communication by enabling mobile phone charging, keeping families connected during typhoons or other crises. It also encourages community participation through training locals in maintenance and operation of the system. Number two is we have the environmental impact. It promotes rainwater harvesting, reducing reliance on deep wells and preserving groundwater. It minimizes plastic waste from bottled water as residents can refill clean water locally. Next, we have the scientific impact. It demonstrates applied engineering innovation by integrating water purification, energy generation, and lighting into a single portable system. It serves as a model for disaster-resilient technology applicable in other typhoon-prone or off-grid areas. It provides real-world deployment data useful for future research in renewable energy, public health, and community-based disaster risk reduction. It also showcases interdisciplinary collaboration between engineering, environmental science, and social development. Four is we have the economic impact. It reduces household spending on bottled water, kerosene, and phone charging services. It minimizes income loss during disasters by restoring lighting and communication quickly. And to end this presentation, I choose Dr. Gregory Lego Tangunans, a Filipino scientist, co-authored by WELS paper, because it translates engineering innovation into community resilience, a practical bridge between research and the real needs of our country. The project stood out for its emphasis on integrating multiple simple technologies like water, light, and mobile power into a unified package and for documenting community engagement and deployment lessons. To me, that combination of appropriate technology and human-centered deployment is what makes research truly useful for our islands, where disasters and infrastructure gaps are persistent.